Okay, so I have going to share my entire screen with you so that everybody can see what I'm doing and we'll all be on the same page. So this is what we're trying to go to. Everyone is doing these fabulous mama shirts. So this is how I do it. I'm going to use the product visualizer and I'm going to choose a women's sweatshirt and I'm going to zoom to products. So this is what we're going to put our mama shirt on. Choose my alphabet, my lettering over here. It works the same with Hatch. You're going to use lettering. Then you're going to type what you would like. MAMA, it's mama. And you're going to choose your font. I like College Applique, but you can use whatever font tickles your fancy. I'm using a built-in font, nothing too much. And then I'm going to click create text and click on my screen. As you can see, it's entirely too small. So I'm going to make it bigger. I like about 8 inches across. So here's my mama, and it's about 8 inches across. And if I wanted to curve it, I would go down to lettering art. And Hatch is over here on this side, and it's lettering art. And you can change the way that it is if you wanted it this way or that way or however you want it to sit. Then we're going to do what's called an offset. Um, in Hatch, if you hover over the words or any of the symbols, it'll show you exactly what it is. This is, I'm going to do a simple offset of mama. So make sure that I have it selected. I'm going to do a simple offset. You can leave the spacing however it's set. I've increased mine slightly. You don't have to. It's just about how big, it's a visual thing. And then you're going to do one offset at this far away. So it's 0.2 inches away from your letters. And I'm going to do it in a satin column setting. So now I have one offset to fit. Another thing that I would suggest that you do is to duplicate um, your offset, because the first stitch is a tack down for your applique. The second, so then you can go in and you can cut around the applique. Then the second is a satin stitch to kind of cover it all up or seal it in. And over here, the color object list, you can select your object list, and it's going to be named the same thing in Hatch. It's an object list or color list. Right now, your offsets are at the bottom, but you want to put them at the top. So you're going to sequence them all the way to the start. And you need to make the first one, make them different colors so that you can input your stops. Doesn't matter what color you make them on your screen. You just need to know that you're going to input a stop. So your first step is going to do a tack down stitch. So you would want to change the type of stitch. Where it says outline, you're going to do a run stitch. So you're going to do a run stitch first so you can cut your fabric. Then you're going to do a satin on top of that. So that's it just kind of just seals it in. Then it'll start to run the applique of mama underneath. So you'll go to now we can back up and we can see it on our product. So that's how it would look on Mama's shirt. And then you can go in and choose whatever colors you like, whatever tickles your fancy. You're going to go and save file. You're going to export the machine file. Always export. It's not a save, it's an export. And you're going to choose whatever file type you need, Tajima, Baradin, if you need a Baby Lock, Brother, which is PES, or whatever machine, and then you're going to save it this way. So now you can take it to your machine and stitch. So happy stitching.